Welcome to Royal Oak in Edmonton. Find peace and security with Royal Oak and enjoy weekends exploring all that Edmonton has to offer you. Conveniently located close to Edmonton's sprawling river valley, parks, walking trails, schools, shopping, restaurants, and other amenities, life awaits you at Royal Oak. When you rent with Avenue Living Communities, you're choosing the advantage. Pet-friendly communities. 24-hour resident service. 3-day maintenance turnaround. Professional cleaning and landscaping. On-site management team. Suite and building. 1 and 2 bedroom suites. Spacious and bright living rooms. Suites come with appliances such as stove and fridge, stainless steel options available. New premier suites. Complete renovation of common areas and hallways. Heat and water included. Surface parking, $15 per month. Neighborhood. Short drive to Anthony Henday Drive, Yellowhead Trail, and nearby 66th Street and 118 Avenue bus stop. Quick access to Eastwood Park, Montrose Park, Buttercup Farm Park, Highlands Park, and Capilano Footbridge. Close to Parkdale Square, Delton Grocery, Real Canadian Superstore, Walmart Supercenter, Winners, Safeway Coliseum Steak and Pizza, and Save On Foods. Within proximity to University of Alberta, Athabasca University, and Breton College. Nearby fitness and recreation facilities, Commonwealth Stadium, Rogers Place, Royal Alberta Museum, Edmonton Expo Centre, Edmonton Public Library, Capilano, and Art Gallery of Alberta. Close to Royal Alexandra Hospital, Mayswan University Health Centre, City Centre Medical Clinic and Pharmacy. Move in today. And when you do, there's always someone looking out for you, supporting you along the way.